morning, students. Today's topic is on pearl culture by Dr. Yogita Ninama, Assistant Professor Zoology, SBP Government College, Dungarpur, Rajasthan. First, we start with introduction. Pearl is a ornamental gemstone derived from the phylum Mollusca. Its class is Phalcypoda. Phalcypod members are also known as Seppi. The pearl is formed by calcium carbonate. The best pearls are derived from pearl oyster. Pearl is from China, 2300 BC. This pearl industry is originated in Japan. Kokichi Mikimoto, 1893, is called the father of pearl industry in Japan. Tokishi Nishikawa and Tatsui Mice independently learned the secret to spherical pearl production. Their discovery is commonly known as the Mice-Nishikawa method. In India, in October 1972, the CMFRI started a pearl culture research project at Tuticorin. Success came in July 1973 when a perfectly spherical pearl was produced. The pearls derived from genus Pinctada. The major pearl producing countries are Australia, Tahiti, Indonesia, Japan, China and India. In India, the following species are found. Pinctada margaritifera, called black lip oyster. Pinctada atropurpurea, called drunker. Pinctada enomoides revi, Pinctada fucata, and Pinctada chiamentezi. High quality pearls are obtained from Pinctada roding. Pinctada vulgaris species is found in Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Mannar and Pakistan. Pinctada margaritifera and Pinctada maxima are giant species that produce large but low grade pearls. Some mollusks also produce beads such as Mytilus and Plecuna placenta. Obtaining pearls by artificial method by following oyster is called pearl culture. Pearl culture is also as a biomineralization process. Because mollusks which have a pearl lining or nacre on the interior of the cell surface can produce lustrous pearls. It is an abnormal process in the normal biological system of the animal. The mantle with its outer epithelial cells is the tissue responsible for producing pearl nacre. When an external stimulus such as accidental trapping of a hard foreign body of a parasite or a lesion occurs in the outer epithelium of the mantle tissue, it leads foreign body resulting in a pearl. So different types of pearls found. There are three types pearls: natural pearls, culture pearls and artificial pearls. Here we discuss about general characters and classification. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Bivalvia, order Pterido, family Pteridae, genus Pinctada. Pearls are unique as the only gems produced by a living organism. This structure are secreted by the mantle means skin of pearls oyster in response to irritation caused by stimuli such as sand grains, mollusk, egg, parasites, detritus and other foreign particles. In diagram, we show two parts, gonad grown and mantle grown. Both two types are pearl culture area. Mantle grown are beadless culture pearls and gonad grown is the beaded culture pearls. Structure of shell. There is a structure of shell. It is the important structure. Three main structure: peristrocum, prismatic layer, and third nacre. This is the nacre secreting cells which form pulse. First, periostracum. The outermost layer is thin, horny and translucent. This layer is produced by organic material known as conchyolin. These substances provide protection from organic acid found in water. These substances secrete from the edges of mantle or cavity. Second is prismatic layer. In this layer, a vertical arranged layer of calcium carbonate conchyolin is found. The layer is strengthened to the shell. Third is nacreous layer. It is the innermost layer of shell. This layer is thinnest towards the side of shell. This layer is also called mother of pearl. Here we discuss about pearl formation, how pearl is formed in body of oysters. When a foreign particle accidentally enters, we see foreign particle, it enters the mantle and the shell of the oyster. This is the shell and this is the mantle of the oyster. The mantle epithelium encloses it like a sac and start concentrate layers of nacre. This is the nacre, mother of pearl. It is a defensive mechanism. Nacre is secreted continuously by the epithelium layer of mantle. They are shown. If mantle epithelium is the grow over foreign particle and layers of nacre start secreting. In third diagram we show pearl formation started. Nacre is continuously secreted by the epithelium layer and deposited around the foreign particle over a period time, and formation of repeated layer of calcium carbonates makes the hard and glossy pearl. Pearl forming types are two types: saltwater nucleation in pearl forming. Second is freshwater muscle grafting in pearl forming. Saltwater nucleation pearl farming have two basic methods of nucleation are used. Saltwater oysters are generally nucleated using a bead prepared from mother of pearl. First, the bead is surrounded by a small piece of mantle tissue taken from a donor oyster. The bead and the tissue are then implanted into the oyster's gonad. The bead serves as a mold or nucleus around which the pearls develop. The resulting pearl will contain the bead at its center and will tend to develop in the same general shape as the original bead. The bead can be detected in the final pearl by X-ray. Second is freshwater mussel grafting in pearl forming. Freshwater mussels are generally grafted using a piece of mantle tissue only without a bead. So here is small difference. This small piece of mantle tissue is placed into an incision in the host mussel's mantle instead of the gonad. Both sides of valve can accept graft, and the average freshwater mussels will produce 24 to 32 pearls per culturing cycle. Here are the two types of oyster farming: marine oyster, water oyster farming. Second is freshwater mussel farming. Here it shows cages hanging in the sea water. This is also platform for oysters. Mussels are also cultured in different pens, cages and structure. Life cycle of oyster. Oyster life cycle started with fertilization of egg and sperm. Trophophore larva is present in their life cycle. This is a free swimming larva called veliger. This is attached and grown in adult. After 2 to 3 years, fertilization occur. So, life cycle is from egg and sperm to adult. Reproduction in captivity. In pearl culture formation, we have to culture या reproduction in captivity. Thermal stimulation induces spawning breeded from healthiest looking oysters. This is artificial thermal stimulation. If we wanted to found sperm and egg, larvae are allowed to float freely in the water under controlled condition until they are a few weeks old. Larvae we show veliger larva. Once the larvae develop into baby oyster, they are moved to a nursery area. Different type of hatchery. Remain in nursery for about 1 to 2 years until they are large enough to be grafted. Different cages. They are remain in separate condition in different age groups. Here we saw in sea water they are collecting oysters. Mechanism of pearl culture. Environmental condition for pearl culture is necessary. Temperature is almost 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. Salinity is 30 to 35 ppm. Prefer higher salinities but tolerate wide range. Bottom is the gravelly, not sandy and not muddy. Depth is minimum 15 meter. Good phytoplankton production. Moderate water currents. Collection of oysters. After environmental conditions, we collect oysters from sea bottom. This work is done by divers. CPs are collected by net. Healthy mussels are collected which are 8 centimeter. Oysters are caught by special types of cages by covering a wire frame. This is operated from boat or divers. These cages are suspended at a depth of 6 meters. From July to November, where spots are easily available, these collected oysters are transferred to rearing cages. Next process is rearing of oyster cages. Oysters are kept in culture cages after being cleaned for a period of about 10 to 20 days. These cages are kept in a shallow water of sea. Rearing cages are well protected from enemies of oysters like octopus, eel, devil fishes, etc. During this time it gets adapted to live in this water and in this condition. Next method is preparation of nucleus. This is the starting process of pearl formation. External matter act as nucleus and necrosis layer are formed around it. If the nucleus is of calcium carbonate, fine pearl is formed. Therefore, by grinding the shell, fine particles are obtained and they are used as nuclei. Next, insertion of nucleus. In this method, a piece of mantle of living oyster is cut off and inserted together with a suitable nucleus inside the living tissue of another oyster. Following steps are taken by the insertion of nucleus. First, fitness of oyster for protection operation. The selected oyster for the insertion of nucleus should be healthy and strong because trauma process occurs enough to overcome the stress during operation. Second is preparation of graft tissues. The piece of tissue which is inserted inside the mantle is called as graft tissue. The outer edges of these graft squares must be known because nacre secreting cells are found only on the outer surface of the mantle. So it is essential to keep the outer surface in contact with the inserted nucleus. Third is preparation of nucleus. Any small particle may function as nucleus to initiate the pearl formation, but it is reported that calcareous nucleus is the best because the deposition of nacre was found to be more on calcareous nucleus. There is the grafting process. Grafting, donor oyster. This is called graft. This is act as a bed. Nucleus. This is recipient oyster. This is pearl pouch. This is grafting process. This is pearl formation. If graft is done, pearl formation is started. This is the pearl pouch shown here. In day first, graft insertion into pearl pouch. In 15 to 30 days, pearl sac epithelium development. This development occurs in steps and 1 to 15 months nacre deposition on nucleus. There are showing in diagram. Nacre is secreted and in 15 months pearl harvest. Oysters are prepared for collection. In this diagram we show divers. These oysters are in cages. These are formed from net and protected from eel, octopus and other enemies. And this is in the bottom of the sea. Here we see also hanging oysters for pearl formation. Insertion of nucleus. This is the next step. For the insertion of nucleus, oysters are fixed in a desk clamp in the position of right valve facing upward. Mental folds are smoothly touched to expose the foot and the main body mass, followed by an incision into the epithelium of the foot and a slender channel into the main mass, one graft tissue which function as a bed for the nucleus. First, when we done pre-grafting process, then post-operation care is necessary. Nucleated oysters are placed into cages and suspended into seawater and attached with floating raft to a depth of 2 to 3 meters for about 6 to 7 days to recover from the shocks due to operation. This period of 6 to 7 days is known as recovery period. About 3,000 to 3,600 nucleated oysters are kept in different cages suspended in a seawater at 2 to 3 meters depth for 3 to 6 years and undisturbed except at the time of clearing and inspection. This we saw in diagram how post-operation care is necessary. And then harvesting of pearl. Pearls are harvested in the month of December to February, which may slightly vary according to climatic conditions. After the completion of 3 years of the insertion of nucleus, pearl oysters are harvested from the sea and the pearls are taken out from the shell. After taking the pearls, method is clearing of pearls. Oyster shell washed properly, cleared with soap solution. Process of pearl culture we see in diagram. Seeding or procuring the seed. This is a seed tubbing. It's hanging on water by rope and let them for growth. Grafting process is done and then post operation care is necessary. Grafting is done in pre-operations. Graft is done in recipient, oyster in pearl pouch. Let them grow. This is the different type of culture. Long line culture. In this culture, long rope in sea and hanging oyster with ropes. Second is raft culture. A raft is situated in the sea and hang the oysters in the water. Third is rack culture. Made racks and hang the oysters with rope. Then harvesting process is done by peoples. This is the clearing of pearl. Many pearls are forms in oysters and different types of pearls are found. We saw pearls, very beautiful, shiny. This is very expensive. Their composition is, it is comprises of water, organic matter, calcium carbonate and the residue. It consists water 2 to 4%, organic matter 3.5 to 5 to 9%, calcium carbonate 90%, residue 0.1 to 0.8% carbonate, 90%. Quality of pearl. The best quality of pearl is obtained from marine oysters. Pearl obtained from freshwater bivalves are not as valuable as those obtained from the marine oysters. Called by Mishra, 1961. This is the culture pearl. This is the natural pearl. This is the pearls layer, nacre layer, conchylian layer, bead nucleus. Thank you.